And here we have a product that's on Kickstarter right now. This is the FancyView AI Glasses Y2 version. Yes, these are actual AI powered sunglasses that can record videos, that can interact with you, that can take pictures, and all that good stuff. These are at approximately 6 gigs of storage, and this is the packaging. What you see is what you get. Nice. And this is your pamphlet for the Kickstarter. And then we have the sunglasses themselves here. This is as well the charging box. Yes, it has a battery inside this box. We're gonna see that in just a second. And what else is here? Let's just check it really quick. You have now nothing else on the box, by the way, but now you have the user's manual, and that's where you get the pairing app as well in this little booklet here, so don't lose this one, even though you can just search on the App Store FancyView Y2 and you'll get the app. And besides that, we have a cleaning cloth, nice, for the sunglasses, and a USB-C to USB-A charger for the said sunglasses as well. And besides that, well, these are the sunglasses themselves. And well, this will light up when you put it on charge or when you take them in and out. As you see, it's letting you know that you open them. It's a nice LED. And here are the sunglasses themselves, and the contact point is right there that charges them, and the battery system is there. Really nice, like leather inside and outside. Really high quality. In quality, they don't lack at all. And these are the sunglasses. This is your camera that can go up to 4K, and this is your LED indicator. This is only LED. Despite it looking like a camera, it's not. The camera is right here. And besides that, you have the some kind of, for the speakers, like fire up air when you use the speakers, because the speakers are under here on both sides, one here and one right here. And then on the both sides, this part here is actually touch sensitive. This part here, you can do double tap, triple tap, slide back and forth for volume and all that good stuff. And you have a function button right here on the top. This button here now can, if you press once, take a picture, press it twice, and it starts recording video. And if you hold it, it will turn on or off those sunglasses. And if you want to open the AI, for example, instead of you saying hi Coco, because yes, that's the command for these, hi Coco, and it starts listening to you, you can hold with one finger here on the side and it will activate the AI or wake it up like that without saying the voice command if you don't want to. Really nice. The view on them is actually really clean and really good, as you see right here. That's really cool. And besides that, when you turn them on, we put them right here. Just let's make sure we have the app going on as well. Okay, and now let's turn them on. You'll see a light here by my fingers. Boom. That indicates that it's open, and it will look for the app whatever phone you paired it with. We're already paired, actually. I don't know why I clicked pairing, but it is what it is now, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna have to say fail because we're already paired, as you see. And on the app, you can actually see your charging level when it's connected, and you have all these functions that you see right here. And if you go to photo album, you'll see all the photos and videos. The photos and videos is I woke up the AI for some reason, and you can check them out here. For example, there's a quick video with me wearing them, just, you know, sitting on the desk there. There's a picture. I didn't take anything outside yet, but I'll take some pictures and videos outside in a minute. And it's actually pretty good. Let me go here again. And that's the zoom in. Look at that. Perfect. And besides that, well, you have all the other functions of the app that you can take a quick picture right here. And as you see, took the photo, and I heard the photo piece. And you can start recording video. As you see, the light illuminates there, but you can record the video with this button as well. Just like I said, we stop the video, boom, and it goes to your album. And you can start recording voice as well. Right now it's recording in voice. As you see, the light comes on again. We stop the voice recording, and you can do intelligent image recognition, that it will, what is in front of me, and it sees my hand right now. As you see, took a picture, and if I increase the volume, it will narrate this text here. You can see a hand holding something, maybe a small device tool, right? And it explains literally what's in front of you. So you put the glasses on and it tells you what's going on. Let me go here. Let me put them on my ears actually while looking at this table. And now, for example, hi Coco, what's in front of me? And now, as you see, Coco now is explaining what I'm seeing. And I just took a picture of this, as you see, the table. And the AI down here is telling me what's up there. Look at that. Now that Porsche part, I don't know where it's getting it from. We don't do Porsche here. Then you can go here, for example, this one that you didn't import to your device yet. Just hit import and it will take that picture that you took or video, whatever you have, and put it down here. And as you see, it's importing the media we took. Boom, right here. That's the picture we just took and it's imported right here. And besides that, well, I mean, you can do many other things with them because they have a lot of other features that might be useful. But I'm going to go outside and actually take some videos and photos with them. They feel weighted, like really nice weight to them. They don't feel cheap and cheesy at all. And on the sun, I tested them already. Driving, really love driving with them. Look at that. Without them, with them. Now look at the screen without the glasses. Look at the screen with glasses. I don't know if it's just me or the clarity gets a little bit better. At least in my eye, when I put them on, I see a bit more clear. I don't know if that's the same case you're seeing here. It's hard to kind of explain it on camera, but that's how I see it. Like it feels like the image gets sharper for some reason when I put these on. And with that said, well, we'll have to go outside. And as I said, take some videos and photos and all that. And yes, you can do translation and all that good stuff. Let's go outside and see what we're talking about. And yeah, the design on them is actually good. The frame, metallic nearby there. And they're quite clean. That's the camera. And that's the LED here. The button, touchpads on the side, the earpieces or the speakers, and that's how you see from inside them. Yep, this is with glasses, that's without them. It's quite a difference. They make it more HD than the regular camera, so in my opinion, they're worth it. And in the eye, they look pretty good. No problems with them at all. They have a weight that feels just right, like they feel solid, and the nose piece just rests solidly there, does not move at all, like no matter how much you shake your head. And besides that, there's not much you can tell about them. They're just overall good sunglasses with AI options, recording options, phone calls, music, all the good stuff that you would expect, and you can record at any time. And if you start recording, just keep in mind, this light turns on. So you can't escape that one. That light will turn on no matter what. You cannot turn it off. And that's made for, public safety reasons that all glasses are mandated to do. So, yeah,